This video is about the military of ancient Rome. Look at this map. It's of what modern-day Italy looks like. The area in red is what Rome originally started out as, just the land near the city of Rome. But from 500 to 300 BC, the Roman Republic was threatened by its neighbors in Italy. So, to protect the Republic, Rome either conquered the areas around them or they forced their neighbors to ally with them. And when they were forced to ally with them, that's when two groups of people unite or side with each other for a mutual benefit. By 264 BC, Rome ruled the entire Italian peninsula. They even took over the Greek colonies in southern Italy. And if you look at this map, you can see that with each different color, as time passes, Rome expands the amount of land it controls on the Italian peninsula. When Rome conquered an area, that area was known as a province. Provinces were important to ancient Rome because they provided manpower or labor, taxes, food, and other resources to the ancient Roman Republic. Also, provinces acted as a geographic barrier between Rome and areas controlled by barbarians. Obviously, the Romans had to have a strong military in order to conquer this land. In Rome, every male citizen had to serve in the military when needed, especially in the early stages of the Republic. They needed their soldiers to be able to move quickly, so they organized their troops into legions. A legion was made of 6,000 troops, and each legion was then further divided into mobile units of 60 to 120 soldiers, so they had a very organized military structure. Roman soldiers were known as legionnaires, and they were well trained. Deserters were punished by death, meaning if you tried to escape from your unit or leave the Roman military, then you would be killed. Roman soldiers were known for treating their conquered enemies relatively well. Some conquered peoples were allowed to keep their own government if they pledged to help fight Rome's wars. Also, sometimes conquered people were given partial rights, sometimes even citizenship. So there's a saying, and it says, "All roads lead to Rome." And the root of this saying comes from history, when the ancient Romans were one of the first groups of people to create a large network of roads for travel and trade. Now, the roads were originally created as the legionnaires expanded to conquer provinces when they set up permanent settlements throughout Italy to defend important locations. Each settlement was known as a colony, and the legionnaires built roads throughout the Italian peninsula to connect each of the little settlements they made. In this way, they made a network of roads. The roads were important because they allowed the army to move quickly from location to location. And in times of peace, these roads became important for trade. We're going to talk a lot about Roman soldiers tomorrow in class, but something to know is that Roman soldiers usually served in the army for about 20. It's also important to think about how this specific types of equipment might have helped Roman soldiers overcome their enemies 5 years before they retired. Their uniform included a very large rectangular shield, a short sword, a dagger, a metal jacket or armor, and a helmet.